How to turn on or turn off always on display for power saving on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, Edge or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. Then in here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we then scroll down and tap on, so I'm just trying to find the settings. So we tap on device care. After that, we then tap on battery. And from here, tap on the left hand side panel on power saving. Then we go down and tap on turn off always on display. Tap on the toggle button to switch it off or turn it on. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.